Today we're going to show you how to change out the headlights on a Honda CRZ, just in case you've never done it. I've already pre-started by taking the bumper off. If you've never taken the bumper off, you've got these little clips. Focus. And all you got to do is stick something under this edge. If it would focus, this edge, pry it up, lift them out. You've got them all along the top sides here. You've got a few on the bottom. It's the inside of the bumper. Also, you have 2 screws on the edges of your bumper. They screw in right here. I'm sorry, I'm not the best camera guy. But anywho, after you take all of those out, you've got one last thing to contend with. You have to get a little knife or a little screwdriver or something, and you've got these little clips right here that you have to lift up on to pull your bumper out from under the headlights. After that, you've got one screw right here in the corner of the light. That one. You have this screw, bolt, whatever you want to call it. All right. Then you have this one on the other corner. When you take them out, the headlight, it's a little tight, but it comes right on out. We'll be right back as soon as I get it out, and I'll show you the rest of it. All right, so the headlight is loose, and it just slides on out. Why this one's always so freaking tight. So start undoing your wires, your HID ballast. Just pull that bulb. Now for the fun part. Twist. Pry out. There's 2 little wires in there. You have to undo those. Just push in. If I could see. Pull them all the way till they come out to here. Then you're supposed to just pull the light out. But whoever was in here before me really gunched the works up, so we're going to struggle with this one for a second. Alright. Whoever was in here before me decided it'd be a good idea to burn that up. Alright, give me a few minutes and we'll get it fixed up, and then I'll show you how to put the bulbs back in. Alright, so wherever I stuck it, it's the bulb we took out. bulb we're putting in. And if you have a CRZ, do not go to AutoZone because they're $200 a damn bulb. Go to, I'll put it in the description, I think LED lighting or something like that, somewhere online. I found them for $50 for a set of 2. They seem to be nice. Alright, so take your bulb, put it in and twist till it snaps a little. And then take it back out. And flip it to the correct way to go in. And if you're like me and you just didn't realize that there was a correct way, where your wires come in, you want the smooth side. At the top of it, you want your notch. And this is the tricky part, especially when you're on camera. Get it about 3/4 of the way in and start flipping your wires over the base. Once you bottom out, just clip your wires back into the little holders. Nice and tight. Ish. We might build a spacer for that later. But anywho, that's the install. Put your cap back on. It's way easier to do it out here than it is to do it in the car. Ta-da! With all your connections back on, just be ready to cuss a little bit. Take 3 bolts and just stick them back in. Isn't it beautiful? Alright guys, this is Mike with Southern Gears, and I appreciate you watching.